Hello and welcome. We have another battle. Yes, we have another battle because a question has been raised. Am I bathing with toothpaste? Oh, that's an interesting question. Yes, let's find out the answer. In the first corner is the opponent from Malin and Goetz. Weighing in at $26 for 8.5 ounces, from Malin and Goetz, we have their peppermint body scrub. Thus the question, are we bathing with toothpaste? Yes. I found this to have a nice gentle scrub, gritty but not harsh, a nice sinus clearing scent, refreshing and invigorating, and I would put that as not just limited to winter months. I think refreshing and invigorating is perfectly fine year-round. And in the other corner is the Bum Bum Boom Boom, I've heard it pronounced both ways, from Soljaneiro. It is the body scrub. It weighs in at, what does it weigh in at? $42 for 7.8 ounces. This particular size that I am holding is a deluxe sample size. I found this item to have a nice tropical scent, a little bit of a hint of hot buttered popcorn. It had a pleasant gritty grit to it, but nothing overpowering, nothing stripping to the skin. I would call it, I guess, a firm, gentle scrub. And it does not leave you feeling greasy afterwards, and supposedly it contains caffeine for firmer skin. Oh, that is interesting. So, we must deliberate.
What's making What's making
And today's winner is the Sol de Janeiro product. And this was a close one. We were informed of some additional information during our deliberation. Yes, in checking on pricing, it was found that the Malin and Goetz product is not as easy to find as we first thought. It is no longer listed on their website, so that could make things complicated. We saw it on Amazon for $26 for an 8.5 ounce, and on eBay for $20 for 7.5 ounces, which, all things considered, I still think that this is a good product. I got it in FabFitFun, so that's why you get boxes. You get things that maybe are being discontinued or are not as easy to find on the open market or on a specific website. I still think this is a good product and will continue at least to use it till the bottle is completed. However, today's battle winner is the Bum Bum Boom Boom cream. You mean body scrub? Yeah, I just called it a cream, but it's a body scrub. Hey, some days I'm a little forgetful in my old age. Oh well. Thanks for taking the time to watch today's video. Do you agree? Did we pick the right winner? Subscribe, like, comment, share, notification bell, all that fun stuff. We hope to see you soon in another video. You can watch something else that's popping up on the screen now. Hope everyone's having a great day. Bye bye.